Mga bago at matagal nang kakilala, foreigner man o kapamilyang Pilipino, lahat sila hinding-hindi ko makakalimutan.
You can see shiny cars, that's when you need me there. With you I'll
Ito na ba yun talaga? Tapos na ako. May college degree na ako talaga. Parang gano'n na. Wow, parang ang tagal-tagal-tagal lang 4 years at the same time, ang bilis lang ng panahon. Malungkot na exciting na parang part of me in denial pa rin, part of me parang na-accept na. So, yung day before I left, wala. Talagang niisip ko, babalik naman ako, babalik ako.
I get up and battle the day. Things don't always go my way. It might rain.
Nung nasa airport ako, parang ayokong umalis, pero naiinip na rin ako kasi gusto ko nang magtrabaho. Parang gano'n. Ang dami, mix talaga siya. Pero syempre pagdating dito, yung iyak ko na yun hanggang 10 minutes lang. Pagdating dito, wala. Kahit duha agad and go. Talagang kailangan mo gawin yung kailangan mo gawin, di ba? And kailangan thankful ka na lang sa 4 years na yun and sa experience mo. Dahil hindi araw-araw mangyayari yung ganong experience. Mahaba, as usual. Mga 12 hours yung flight namin. So, parang lumilipad pa. Nakatulog naman. Excited kasi naghihintay na rin yung lola ko na love ko. So, pati yung pamilya ko, yung mom ko, dad ko, kapatid ko, tatalon-talon na naman sila para mag-hi. Excited. Super excited.
Ayaw na ulan.
Ay na hindi exciting yun. Exciting yun talaga. Pero, syempre, culture shock yun na parang hinanda ko rin yung sarili ko mentally na ganito na yun doon. So, bakit ka magko-complain? Blessing nga na may ganong factor sa buhay mo, diba? Na exciting. And maganda rin na may nag-aabang nun and may gustong mapanood yun. Because parang naman sa kanila yun. Huwag kayong aalis dahil sa aking pagbabalik. Hi! For you, ate. Open it and see the surprise. Oh, wow! such a wonderful feeling. Iba talaga kapag alam mong you're finally home. Lalo na dahil na-miss ko talaga ang mga kapatid ko, ang dad ko, at lalong-lalo na ang mom ko. Time flies so fast. Hindi ako makapaniwalang 4 years have passed at nandito na ulit ako with my family. I'm the best ate in the world.
So, do you realize how hard or how scary it was for over almost all of the 4 years na wala siya? Every night pinagdarasal niya na, oh dear God, please just surround her with your angels.
4 years. I can't help but look back. Hindi ko lubusang maisip kung paano ko na kayang iwanan ang family ko. For me, it was the hardest part of all. At sure ako na naging napakahirap din ito para sa aking mga magulang. Sabi nga nila, it's hard for the one who leaves, but it's even harder for those who are left behind.
I could not really cure, obviously, was her loneliness because I could not just fly off there and again. I mean, someone had to earn what was going to Paris, what needed to reach her in Paris. So, and I could not put the whole burden on my husband, syempre.
Really sad. The last time she left, I even cried so much. She wanted to play with her pa.
Siyempre, namiss siya ng lahat. Namiss ko siya sobra. Kung saan siya, nandun ako.
It's a big adjustment for the whole family nung talagang umalis siya. Malungkot talaga.
Siyempre na-miss namin ng gusto, no? Kasi until she left, every time mag-grocery kami, kasi akong kasama niya. So that's like once a month for like 10 years, 9 years, no? So biglang wala na akong kasama mag-grocery. Hindi na ako nag-grocery. We would talk about anything and everything. And that one I missed when she left, no? Because wala na akong isang kakwento tungkol sa mga bagay-bagay.
Ang sweet naman, parang miss na miss ako ah. Pati naman kaya sounds ko na miss niya.
Yung malakas na sounds system na wala. Dadaan ka doon sa kwarto niya, yung pinto,